The diagram shows a rectangular middle section, two semicircular ends, and a circular pond inside. The field is made from a rectangle and two semicircular ends, with the circular pond removed. The field is made from a rectangle and two semicircular ends, with the circular pond removed. The distance round the field follows the two straight sides and the two semicircular ends. PQ equals 112 meter centimeters. SR equals 112 meter centimeters. QR equals 56 meter centimeters. Diameter of each semicircle equals 56 meter centimeters. Length of one semicircle equals 1 over 2 pi d. So this simplifies to equals 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times 56. So this simplifies to equals 1 over 2 times 176. So this simplifies to equals 88 meter centimeters. Arc PTS equals 88 meter centimeters. Arc QUR equals 88 meter centimeters. Distance round the field equals 112 plus 112 plus 88 plus 88. So this simplifies to equals 400 meter centimeters. So the distance round the field is 400 meter centimeters. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to subscribe and like for more step-by-step exam solutions. Now consider this step. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more exam solutions. The field is made from a rectangle and two semicircular ends, with the circular pond removed. Diameter of each semicircle equals 56 meter centimeters. R equals 56 over 2 equals 28 meter centimeters. Use the right triangle area formula. Area of one semicircle equals 1 over 2 pi r squared. So this simplifies to equals 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times 28 squared. So this simplifies to equals 1 over 2 times 22 over 7 times 784. So this simplifies to equals 1 over 2 times 22 times 112. The area of one semicircle is 1/2 times pi r squared. Substituting r equals 28 and pi equals 22 over 7. The area of one semicircle is 1,232 square meters. Area of PTS equals 1232 square meters. Area of QUR equals 1232 square meters. Total area of two semicircles equals 1232 plus 1232. So this simplifies to equals 2,464 square meters. Area of rectangle PQRS equals length. So this simplifies to equals 112 times 56. The rectangular part has length 112 meter cedars and width 56 meter cedars. Its area is 112/56 equals 6,272 square meters. Diameter of pond equals 14 meter setter cedars. R equals 14 over 2 equals 7 meter setter cedars. Area of pond equals pi r squared. So this simplifies to equals 22 over 7 times 7 squared. So this simplifies to equals 22 over 7 times 49. So this simplifies to equals 154 square meters. Area excluding pond equals 1232 plus 1232 plus 6,272 meters setercinus 154. So this simplifies to equals 2464 plus 6,272 meters setercinus 154. So this simplifies to equals 8736 meters setercinus 154. So this simplifies to equals 8,582 square meters. So the area of the field, excluding the pond, is 8,582 square meters. Distance round the field equals 400 meter setter cedars. Area excluding the pond equals 8,582 square meters. To summarize, the distance round the field is 400 meter cedars, and the area of the field excluding the pond is 8,582 square meters. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more simple and clear mathematics solutions.